partiers, it is your girl Tiffany, back at you again with another video, you guys. And this is part 2 to my LOL surprise project. LOL surprise, you guys, party project that I'm doing for a birthday party, you guys, for a special little girl, you guys. But I'm back with this video, you guys, and on this video I will be showing you what I'm going to be doing to these boxes. So if you guys, if my partiers have watched my first video yesterday that I did, explaining about what I'm going to do with these little boxes right here. Let me show you guys. Hold on. These little boxes right here, you guys, I am going to be making the LOL theme surprise boxes out of those. You know how they do the eggs? You got surprise present boxes, you guys. So, you guys, let's jump into this video. Okay, you guys. So, these are the little boxes. And like I said, these are custom. These are colored by me. And they can be done in all colors, you guys, for your theme, the theme of your party. So if you're interested, hit me up in the message part, you guys, of this video. But let's get started. Let me show you guys first the LOL printouts that I did. So put these to the side. This is what I'm going to be using on these boxes. So I printed out some LOL stuff, you guys, and I have already pre-cut what I'm going to use. This is a happy birthday that I printed out, and I will be using this on the birthday girl's box. See, let me put this to the side. I have pre-cut this one too. This is going on the birthday girl's box. This design. And this is cute. Cute, cute, cute. And then I printed out these, you guys. Some LOL pictures. And then here's another group of LOL pictures. See them, you guys? And then I'm going to be working, let me put this to the side. I'm going to be working with I got stuff falling, you guys. This rhinestone like border trim. See, you guys? And it's got the paper backing on there. It's uses pill and stick. And then I'm going to be working with this glitter pill and stick tape. And I got my glue gun, you guys. I have my glue sticks. I have my scissors. And you guys, I bought some of this craft glue glitter. See? I think I'm going to take this craft glue glitter and use it to highlight, like the, see her hair is gold and then blue. I might use some of this glitter to highlight these pictures. I'm not sure about it yet, you guys. But first of all, we're going to do the birthday girl's box. So that's what I'm doing going to do right now. So I'm going to push that to the side. And like I said, I already pre-cut some of the images out. And I would have done this with my Cameo or my Cricut, but I decided just to hand cut it, you guys. So I did it the old-fashioned way. I hand cut each one of my images out. So let's start with the box. So this is the front of my box. So what I'm going to do is I am going to take this image right here. And I was going to put it right here, but it is too large for that area. A little bit too large. See the bottom part is hanging down. I don't want it like that. But I thought about, well, no, her hair is in the way. Her hair is in the way. So what I'm going to do is take this image and I'm going to put it at the top of the box. So I'm just going to glue this down, you guys. Let's see here. Yep, I'm going to try to get it right in the middle, see? Like this. I'm just going to glue it down. And I got my glue gun all ready to go, you guys. So, and this glue gun, you have to work fast with these glue guns. You really do. And be careful. See? Be careful with them, you guys. Look at me. I just burnt my own self with that hot glue. Okay. So I got my image on there. See it, you guys. Now what I'm going to do is make sure that it's glued down. Because there's still some little loose edges on there. So I just want to make sure this is glued down real good. And like I said, be careful with this glue. You see what I just did, you guys. Let's see here. But you guys, yeah, I really enjoy doing this. I really do. Okay. So I got it all glued down. See that, you guys? Got it all glued down. And now I had cut out the happy birthday. Let me show you guys. Let me just turn this around. I had cut out the happy birthday, you guys. And what I'm going to do is put that on this box. And I think I'm going to put it in the front of this box. Let me see. No. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, I'm going to put it, yeah, I'm going to glue it in the front of this box, you guys. So, let me just grab it and I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to put the happy birthday in the front, you guys. So, I'm going to glue this down. Make sure I don't burn myself this time. So you guys, it is easy stuff you can do like this if you have the time. Just sit down and do it. And all I did was print out me some printables on Google, you guys. If you don't want to do it the hard way. Usually I do it on my Cameo. I design all my stuff on my machines, you guys. That's how I do it. Okay. see here. So I almost got it glued down. And I do got it glued down, you guys. So let's take a look at it. So that's how it looks in the front. Now let's go ahead and put the rhinestones. I'm going to do rhinestones. Yeah, I think I'm going to do the rhinestones. Let's see here. I'm going to do blue. I know, you guys, I should have decided before I even here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put, hold on, let me show you guys. I am going to put, I'm trying to even it up, you guys. I'm going to put this blue at the top of this box. So let me cut this, you guys. Okay. So what I'm doing now is just peeling this off, and I'm going to stick it on there, you guys. And like I said, this is going to be the birthday girl's box. Okay. Okay, see, you guys? Now let me see. I think we should put some blue down the sides too. Let's see here. See how it would look. You know what, you guys? I'm gonna do the bottom only like I did the top. Let me cut this. Okay, you guys. So I decided to put some at the bottom too under birthday. So that's what I'm doing right now. Here. Okay. Make sure it's on here real good. There we go, guys. See? Happy birthday. And then I stuck those two aqua glitter colored strips on there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the top. And like I said, this is the birthday girl's box. So I'm going to take these rhinestones. They're hot pink. And I'm going to use these. Sorry about that. That's my dogs, you guys. They're barking at the mailman. Every day they bark at the mailman. Okay. So I'm going to take these hot pink rhinestones and I'm going to put them at the top. You guys. You guys, come on now. Why they do that, I don't know. That's bad. That's bad. Right in the middle of my video. Okay, so I'm just measuring it, you guys, and cut. And you want to make sure that you measure this, because if you cut too much of it, it's gonna hang over. You guys, I'm gonna cut you back on. Let me get my dogs situated. That's bad in my video, you guys. In my video.